Breaking.
A bit careful with AoE on our side.
Yeah. Just move now, I think.
15. Prepare.
Bomb, let me put this bomb. Hold on. Thank you.
Move.
Pulling engineer.
Don't kill him.
Help with the back, help with the back.
Here as well.
Okay, we're done. Let's go, other side.
Keep Silly up. Trankin. Keep getting him up.
Phase 2. Don't be in front of this guy.
Vigilance, please. Sacrifice on decks.
Lost.
Save some guards and kill off the big one.
Yeah, let's go.
Nope.
Open the green one. He's gonna be open, he's open.
Fire colors.
Use the cooldown if you have 2.
He might be open. Yeah, he's open. Let's go. There's a fixate on me, guys. Don't stack on me.
Iron bark when you can.
Put a few dots on that Rage Cult and Dora.
Fire colors.
Fire colors.
Don't kill yourself with the debuff as well. There's one fire color left. Kill it.
I got green.
Cocoon, please.
Gonna be
Storm,
open.
take out the next one.
Okay, go, kill.
Hi, Fox. Careful with the volatile.
Tree come all the way around this time.
Fire colors.
Red.
Blast.
I got purple down off this.
Okay, purple, go. It's open. Nora, can you move a bit to the left, please? I got the debuff. Yeah, there, perfect.
Fire
Okay,
colors.
yeah, fire colors.
Shoot away from everybody else.
My
Green,
survival.
get closer. Razor.
Oh, that was my bad there. Can still kill it.
I don't have Dora in range.
Better.
Hit.
Okay,
Gonna be
push a
open.
bit.
Go.
Use a cooldown on this one.
Black
It's
colors.
gonna hurt.
Okay, purple. I'll do the heroism.
Fixated in melee, be careful. Heroism.
Green.
Just
Green,
kill
green.
green.
Few 5 colors left.
We're to stack out of the group unless you're not fixated. Stack on other people with fixates.
Taunting.
I'm free, so I can taunt after Dora.
Yeah, just let me get them stacked.
Two, yeah.
Choose
Can
good.
just take one.
Yeah, one is fine. You can take one.
Want the thing stacked then? The secondary effects.
Rubber positioning.
Call for move. Move, boss. Fox, somebody fox.
Taunting.
Move again.
Last thing coming.
Taunting.
David, Devo, this next one.
Taunting.
Last.
I'm trying to kill
Last
this
thing
one.
coming.
Angel,
Okay.
on the one after this next blast, you'll use your spirit link. I just did it, okay.
No, I have a second one.
Alright. On this next blast, use spirit link. Put it in melee.
Taunting.
You're gonna revival on this next one. Now,
Oh.
what do we have left? Barrier on the next one, Razor.
Taunting.
Yeah, on this one now. Do it. On this next one, everyone uses a tonic. Use.
Yeah.
Go on!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Well done.
Calm down.
Ruben, waar je
Damn it.